Lift your hand up and push under.
In this episode, we're going to try and taste two of Mr. Ramsay's viral recipes, buttered roasted whole chicken and his famous buttermilk fried chicken recipe. Gordon Ramsay is the internet's undisputed culinary king, with 20 million subscribers and 4 billion views on YouTube alone. Okay, let's get started with the first recipe, buttermilk fried chicken. It's entirely up to you what chicken to use. Here, I've gone with a combination of thighs, drumsticks, and wings. First things first, we'll begin by seasoning the chicken with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Grind your peppercorns just like this. And then add them to your chicken. Next up, 2 cups of buttermilk. If you like, pop on some gloves like me and give your chicken a gentle massage like this. Be sure to mix all the ingredients and let it rest for 4 to 5 hours. If you really want to maximize the flavor, refrigerate overnight and cook it the next day. As the chicken rests, let's jazz up the crust. Mix all-purpose flour, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and smoked paprika together. Fast forward 4 hours, and it's time to coat the chicken. Give each chicken piece a good coating, shake off any excess, and voila, time for frying. Crank up your hob to medium heat, allowing the oil temperature to reach around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot enough, carefully drop your chicken into the oil. Be careful for any oil splashback. This chicken's been sizzling in the pan for about 15 minutes. Just take a look at this. Doesn't that look good? Feast your eyes on that beautiful golden brown color. Now I'm going to carefully take these out of the oil and allow them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm loving the browning color on them. And voila, buttermilk fried chicken recipe prepared Gordon Ramsay style. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's give it a taste. This is so good. Juicy, tender, and full of flavor, and a nice crunch when you bite into it. Now, guys, I'll be honest with you. This is a very good recipe for fried chicken, but compared to other fried chicken recipes I've tried, it doesn't quite claim the title of the absolute best. I'd confidently rate this recipe a solid 8 out of 10. Next, let's move to the second recipe, Ramsay's buttered roasted whole chicken. To flavor the skin, we'll begin by combining 2 generous slices of butter and dried tarragon. While fresh tarragon would be ideal, I've opted for dried. I'm pretty sure it won't significantly impact the overall flavor. Stir all the ingredients together, and now the fun part. Put those gloves on again, and gently slide this fragrant compound butter under the skin of the chicken, distributing it evenly to ensure maximum flavor. Finish with seasoning the chicken generously with freshly ground black pepper and salt. For the stuffing, we'll start with fresh chickpeas, which I've already boiled for about an hour. Next, we'll season with salt, black pepper, and thyme, mixing everything well to combine the flavors. Now, to add a touch of spiciness, let's finely chop hot peppers. I think it's definitely gonna bring some heat to the original recipe. Combine the chopped chilies with the chickpeas, along with a little glug of olive oil, zest the lemon, and mix everything properly. Once done, we'll take our stuffing and carefully stuff the chicken. Finishing with tucking the whole lemon tucked inside. Gordon Ramsay added some bulbs of garlic in this step, but I'm going to go the extra mile and add peeled potatoes, carrots, peppers, and of course, 2 whole bulbs of garlic. A finish with a drizzle of olive oil on top. With everything prepped and ready, we'll cover the chicken with aluminum foil and head outside to let the wood-fired oven work its wonders. I preheated the oven an hour ago, bringing the internal temperature to around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, I'm spreading the coals to the sides to create an open space in the middle for the chicken tray. Now, let's gently slide the roasting pan into the oven and check out the impressive smoke emerging and rising up the chimney. I'll give this chicken an hour at the current oven temperature to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 hour later, carefully open the oven door and take out the chicken. Gently lift off the aluminum foil. Oh my goodness, look at that crispy, golden goodness. All that hard work paid off. To achieve a crispy and golden black skin, I'll pop the chicken back in the oven for an additional 15 minutes. This gives us enough time for me to show you one of my favorite wood-fired oven snacks. Take some fresh tomatoes and add black pepper, salt, and a drizzle of olive oil on top. Would you look at that? Just soak up that view. This is just one of the reasons I adore having a wood-fired oven in my backyard. Time to take out the chicken. I can't believe how beautiful this chicken is. Unbelievable. The flavors of this chicken are insanely good. That golden light reflecting off the skin is almost irresistible. I can't resist taking a bite of this wing. Okay, let's give it a taste. The moment of truth. This looks awesome. Look at that golden goodness. Super tender potatoes. These chickpeas are packing some serious heat. I love it. This chicken is the real deal. Its skin is perfectly crispy and the meat is so tender. This recipe might even be better than Gordon Ramsay's thanks to the extra flavor and smokiness that comes from roasting the chicken in a wood-fired oven. I highly recommend this recipe to you all. I'd easily give it a solid 10 out of 10. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the next videos displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.